Survey of India declines Myanmar Survey Department's proposal to erect subsidiary pillar between the border pillar 82-83. Director of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Yumnam Ranjan says electronic point of sales machines will own fake NFSA beneficiaries. Husband allegedly burned up wife in the heat of argument at Mayang Imphal. Wife sustained 20% burns. And Chief Minister Nongthaman Birane inaugurates 10-day Northeast Women Drama Festival and National Seminar on the theatre at Khenjomlang Theatre Complex. A very good evening to you all. I'm Colonel Sambanduram presenting you the primetime English news. Now let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of the day. Myanmar Survey Department's proposals to erect subsidiary pillars between border pillar 82-83 has been declined by the Survey of India. One Myanmar's surveyor put forth the proposals during the data collection by a joint team of Survey of India and the Survey Department of Myanmar at border pillar 77 and 78. However, Indian surveyor T. Karbyangjar declined the proposals to erect subsidiary pillars due to restrictions by peoples and issues prevailing in the area over and above without any orders of a Chief Secretary and DC Technopol. The survey teams of both the countries collected data from government offices, Assam rifle camps, villages, and various households near the border pillars. As per Impact News sources, 4 subsidiary pillars are expected to be constructed as the survey team has already inspected Indo-Myanmar border pillar 102, 103 in the past few days. More SDO I. Dinesh Kumar, Major of 43 Assam Rifles, Rajiv, and members of Tamil Sangam took part in the inspection visit. Electronic point of sales e-post machines will be installed at every distribution points of PDS items under National Food Security Act (NFSA). Director of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Yumnam Ranjan, said that fake NFSA beneficiaries will no longer be able to get rice distributed under the Act with the new arrangement. He was speaking at the National Consumers Day observance held at Wangkai Durga Puja Lampak in Imphal East today. Consumers clubbed Manipur in association with Youth Voluntary Organization Wangkai and Wangkai Durga Puja Lampak Women's Welfare Organization organized the event. Yumnam Ranjan urged every consumer to check MRP and weights of products before purchasing the items. People of the area attended the event.
Consumer Protection Act sina akwai consumers ki rights ki safeguard tobada kwaidagi magi mapangan piriba adugumba act amane masi CAFNPD gi makhada akwai district forum mayam linkhatle state commission linkhatle leti yolba mayam simagi MRP je thabra thadabra adugumba yengba adu waste suna bagi thambibra on bada adugumba unfair practices mayam leibra du se tawruga leiba department amani.
Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar appealed to make proper use of electronic point of sale e-post device to avail the PDS items under National Food Security Act to its genuine beneficiaries. He was speaking at the National Consumers Day 2019 observance at the Office of Directorate of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution at Sangaipuro in Imphal today. Department of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution organized the event commemorating the passing of Consumers Protection Act in 1986. Speaking at the event, Y. Joy Kumar said introduction of e-post to FPS agents is a good step for an effective distribution of food grains through public distribution system (PDS) in the state. Speaking on the occasion, CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham stressed on the need for cooperation and sincerity among employees of the relevant departments and the public for transparent distribution of the PDS items. He also stressed on the need to raise mass awareness on the same, mentioning that the government has been taking necessary measures to solve issues over distribution of PDS items. Minister Karam Sham invited suggestions from the public for the same. 1,670 EPOS devices were distributed to fair price SOF agents through deputy commissioners and district supply officers of 11 districts of the same on the occasion.
As I said, mere distributing these EPOs is not the answer. Answer is the effective use of these EPOs. Have we been able to do that? If not, then what are the problems? Have we understood the problems? And having understood the problem, what are the means by which we can overcome these problems? These are the important issues, important things which we must keep in mind.
Awareness yang piba darkar lay. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution na kari thabak taurige, kari tawam dokuno se. Awareness pi dargadi matam supada allegation se mayam ama changna tawsalaga di chumma sudum lalaboi ningbagi port ama laksan ba. Manipur da labor department singi manung da khwaidagi maruoiba department, khwaidagi ijat mangba department, khwaidagi mina seran turan khanba department oibanina akoi khudingmak masi khangminnabaga loinana thengnamina si.
A man has allegedly doused his wife with kerosene and set her on fire at Mayang Imphal Kokchai Makhalaikai under Mayang Imphal police station. The incident occurred yesterday at around 3 p.m. The 26-year-old woman, identified as Thangjum Ongbi Puja, daughter of a Longjam Kesho, sustained 20% burns. She is undergoing treatment at Regional Institute of Medical Sciences Hospital. Puja suffered burns on her face, hands, neck and abdomen. Her husband, 35-year-old Thangjum Umakanta, son of Ibo Pisak, is currently in the custody of Mayang Imphal police station. An FIR has been lodged against him. Sources say Thangjum Umakanta poured kerosene from a lantern on the Puja and set her on fire in the heat of a quarrel. Meanwhile, the Puja's families has demanded befitting punishment for the culprit's husband and adequate compensation for Puja.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯃꯆꯥꯅꯨꯄꯤꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯆꯪꯒꯗꯕ ꯈ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯥ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯥ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯟꯅꯨꯄꯤꯕꯨ ꯏꯖꯠ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯜꯂꯒ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯃꯥꯖꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯍꯟꯗꯕ ꯊꯥꯛ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯅ ꯂꯦꯟꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯆꯟꯅꯨꯄꯤꯕꯨ ꯈꯔꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯍꯤꯡꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯖꯤꯕꯤꯀꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯀꯝꯄꯦꯟꯁꯦꯁꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩ ꯄꯤꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯅꯨꯄꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯃꯥ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯁꯦ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯟꯁꯁꯨ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯁꯦ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯊꯤꯔꯨꯔꯕ ꯃꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯆꯨꯞꯄ ꯖꯦꯜꯗ ꯊꯝꯖꯤꯟꯕꯕꯨ ꯄꯥꯝꯃꯤ.
Chief Minister Nongtham Birren inaugurated 10-day Northeast Women Drama Festival and National Seminar on the theatre at Kenjonglang Theatre Complex, Kairao in Imphal East District today. Kenjonglang Imphal, J&T Manipur Dance Academy Imphal, along with Sangit Natak Academy, New Delhi, organized a festival exclusively for women directors of the Northeast states for the first time in Manipur. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Nongtham Birren urged ministers not to violate laws which are formulated for the welfare of the state. Taking part in the event, Kairao MLA and Rameshwar lamented that rich businessmen have misused many paddy fields of a Kiamgai in the Kairao constituency. He urged the Chief Ministers to look into the matter at the earliest. Responding to the grievances raised by the MLA, Chief Minister Nongtham Birren urged those concerned not to violate Manipur Conservation of Paddy Land and Wetland Act 2014, which aims to protect and preserve the dwindling agricultural lands of the state. Birren also assured to make necessary assistance to construct a public health center and Kenjonglang Theatre Complex in the Kairao constituency. He also presented gift to theatre personalities from New Delhi and to renowned theatre personality of the state, Haishnamd Savitri Devi, on the occasion. A drama entitled Aigi Khongthang Lep Kiroi, directed by Dr. S. Thanin Laima, was also showcased at the event. 2 dramas of Assam and a drama of Tripura will also be screened during the festival.
state natraga country ma fan ba phanam da depend on the leaders issue mata mang tharga loisal laga salam da aduna loina phumbang na ka na khoji phaina chingaga mang sa si kadai manin sa si kadai tawraga confusion stage am da leram mani last 2.5 years 3 years the mayam ubiramani koi peace le ai khoi low udri kari sagani aduna ai khoi di low pham sidai da khoi gi chana na ba insang na pi adu maroina seng si khoi puthok to be aba low le jodi kamai puthokani aduna ne khoi na khoi government na building gi bylaw samto oga hujik si hana building se khoi ground plus 2 khatang ai saba ya ba piramani hujik khoi floor nipan bhauba mapan bhauba sabi ya ba pi krabani maram di kari noi kana khoi se labuk sida sum sangtok koi mohta lab sumaina vertical oina inkhalaga flat ki system gumba ma koi hobok tragadi koi sahi kuntra ni phu phana chalo ye
Harimati Dance and Music Center, Porampad, held its 47th Foundation Day at its complex today. Former Commissioner of Art and Culture Department P. Bharat, Harimati Dance and Music Center Vice President Naurimd Manishamd and many eminent artists of the state attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, General Secretary of Harimati Dance and Music Center, H. Harimati, said that the center has been taking active role in preserving various unique art forms.
Piiba angang singsi masa masagi hozigi sologi world scenario sida sologi amna sakhalakpa matam sida makoi su solo je karimai tawsige karmai sai karimai lecture pi haibna singba adugi experience leiner bagi damakta hairibase bigliba angang singsu yauri aduga guest artist kharmasu Manipur goiba sangnai rabi ise singatani makoi busu aina guest artist wina documentation lahuna bagi damakta ngasi ge sigumba nifutarerak suba foundation day celebration asida makoi su invite tawjai asigumba mayam asina Manipur gi art and culture ji yokhat pada sangsana sina saruk kharada werbasu yajabangam lagadi haribase mai pa e aduna ngasi ge sigumlaba 47 foundation day celebration ase khanjari.
One day continuing medical education, CME on violence against doctors and legal remedies, was held at RIMS Mini Auditorium today. RIMS Forensic Medicine and Toxicology Department, along with Manipur State Legal Services Authority, Manipur, organized the program. RIMS Director Professor A. Santa, Dean Academics, RIMS Professor Brojend Singh Koijam, RIMS Medical Superintendent Professor C.H. Arun Kumar, doctors, legal experts and top police officials attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, RIMS Director Professor A. Santa termed the topic of the awareness program, violence against doctor, as a relevant topic. He recalled that many unwanted incidents have occurred at both private and public hospitals due to misunderstandings between the doctors and patient parties. He stressed the need for the stakeholders concerned to come up with a long-lasting solution to the issue. Professor Esanta also stressed on the need for an improved doctor-patient relationship. He mentioned that a special chapter has been added in the syllabus for doctors on how to get along with their patients. Manipur Lomi Lup, in a press release, has demanded the unconditional release of arrested Secretary of CPI Manipur, L. Sotin Kumar, at the earliest. It may be mentioned that police arrested L. Sotin Kumar along with 17 others during anti-CAA protest held on 19th of December and 21. Police re-arrest L. Sotin Kumar after the court granted him bail. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Airport Authority of India Imphal International Airport presenting a minibus on the Tabitha Children Home under its corporate social responsibility scheme today. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Airport Authority of India Imphal International Airport presented a minibus to Tabitha Children Home under its corporate social responsibility scheme today. Officials of Airport Authority of India Imphal International Airport handed over a minibus to the Secretary of Tabitha Children Home, Thangsok Kamkar, at an event held at Tabitha Children Home in Mantripukhe. ADC of Senapati District and Regional Executive Director of Airport Authority of India, Northeast Region, Guwahati, also signed a memorandum of understanding to provide a mortuary vent and water purifier for Senapati District by the Airport Authority of India on the occasion. Health Minister Langpoglakpam Jain Kumar, Director of Health Services Manipur, Dr. K. Rajo, Regional Executive Director of Airport Authority of India, Northeast Region, Guwahati, Sanjeev Jindal, and top officials of State Health Mission attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Langpoglakpam Jain Kumar appreciated the Airport Authority of India for extending help to the state under its Corporate Social Responsibility Scheme. He asserted that the state government also needs to join hands with large-scale companies like Airport Authority of India. He added that the minibus will greatly benefit children in the home. Minister Langpoglakpam Jain Kumar appealed to people to take active roles for bringing development and peace in the state.
But when they become matured, when they get this good education, and when they come out after their maturity in the society, if they can perform very, very beautifully, then they realize our success. Definitely one day, either he or she, one of them will shout against us, that saying that, what the hell you did for us? You didn't do anything for us, but why you blame us? So that is the same slogan they are going to give us. The Madhukumbasing, the Madhu talked and Nabakoi, Angang Mong Tan Sembi when I have a say. Now, equally, like health sector, my Mong Tan Sembi, the morally upright, but discipline Mong Tan Sembi, society that come out to how to live in a very civilized society. I have it even have a say.
A newly constructed community hall of Hairok Part 1 Duhu Laikon Gram Panchayat under Wangjing Tentha CD block was inaugurated today. Wangjing Tentha CD block EOP Ibeyaima, Panchayat Secretary Somendro and the Pradhan El Khamba jointly inaugurated the hall. Speaking on the occasion, the Gram Panchayat Pradhan El Khamba asserted that development will take place in all the villages of the state when the government keeps faith in the panchayats. Youth Employment Solution YES and Gram Panchayat also organized a health camp on the occasion where around 56 people were checked up for diabetes and heart-related ailments. Screening for heart-related problems was carried out for children below the age of 18. ICAR Brit Conservation Award 2019 has been conferred upon Dr. T.H. Ranadhir, Head of Department of Animal Sciences, College of Agriculture, Central Agricultural University, Imphal. He was conferred upon the prestigious award in recognition of his significant role in preserving the endangered species of Manipuri pony. He received the award during Kishan Diwas held at ICAR National Bureau of Animal Genetic Resources at Karnal in Haryana on the 23rd of December. It may be mentioned that Dr. T.H. Ranadhir did his PhD on the thesis, status and characterization of Manipuri pony and made great contribution in recognizing the Manipuri pony as a national leveled registered breed. Dr. T.H. Ranadhir, under the supervision of a CAU Vice-Chancellor Professor M. Premjit, had reared 12 female pony at the mini pony farm at Iroisemba, and within a short span of 2 years, the number of ponies rose to 34. Seven-day short-term course on the Meitei Mayek in higher education kicked off at the DNU hold of Danamanjuri College of Arts today. Danamanjuri College of Arts, Danamanjuri University organized the course under the aegis of Directorate of University and Higher Education. A book named Folklore Ki Taibangda, written in both Meitei Mayek and Bengali script, was also released on the occasion. Principal of the Danamanjuri College of Arts, Dr. C.H. Shilaramani, retired Additional Director of Directorate of University and Higher Education, A.K. Sharma, and Head of the Philosophy Department, DM College of Arts, Dr. K.H. Gokul Chandra, attended the event. Rajyasri Bhagya Chandra Cultural Foundation Manipur has released its 2020 calendar at its office in Segaro, Thaudaba Boklaikai today. Ag East Policy Manipur convener R.K. Sivachandra, Arun Enterprises proprietor Thangjam Arun, Rajyasri Bhagya Chandra Cultural Foundation Manipur President Kaisham Guni Leima attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, R.K. Sivachandra asserted to assured to extend necessary help to members of Rajyasri Bhagya Chandra Cultural Foundation Manipur who will be visiting Myanmar to meet Manipuris diasporas in the country.
Culture sina mayam se amato ina punbasi mayam aina tajare mayam tawde sida dance culture mayam ama sat kadorian taje si tawda de mayam loin punnya si da di jagang mandlegi tongan tongan ma mafam se maitai khunji chawrakna mayam na khangna bada tara muk lai aduga mayam na khangna daba punna trami tramnga muk lai si si ram kai lai suksang sangudra matam da hi na chatpa almoin senga senga hai ba mayam sing ji punjalaga koi cultural activities tawri basna yamna khoi maitai punjan bada matik yam mating pangni se thajai yaragadi khoina tawu tamna moigi awa nungai se sar adum yaba se masi sina koi naksana basu hele.
Brand ambassador of Likla Balahijam, along with officials of Likla, launches 2020 calendar of Likla at Likla Bakery outlet in the Sagolban today. Likla Managing Director Thangjam Joy Kumar and many people attended the event.
Lakatoliba ano chahi 2020 lakto chahi sida mayam punamak apaba chahi noya apaba view aduga soidan 2020 sina isai sagi dumda ai family dai mung manung da punamak kusu apaba isona pibibo isno
nong magi lepa laitaba ano services aduga ano ba akhoi youth sing dasu job opportunities me amam piba aduga company ma oiri matung tabdusu hena chakhotpa adugi isona chandiba company mo oishono haina aina ishoda thamizage.
10-day Singju Festival 2020 will be held at District Sports Complex, Wangjing Kolompokpi Ground from the 28th of December till 6th of January 2020. District Youth Affairs and Sports Officer I. Purnimasi released the wall poster of the festival at an event held at Wangjing Kolompokpi Ground today. Various events such as Mukna Likond Miss Singju competition, blood donation camp and free medical camp will mark the festival. Governor Dr. Najma Hamdullah has greeted the people of Manipur, especially to Christians brethren, on the auspicious occasion of Christmas. In her greeting, the governor said Christmas is the time to be with family and friends and a time for peace and prosperity. She urged everyone to recall the noble teachings of Jesus Christ and to recall his efforts towards creating a compassionate and equal society. Governor Dr. Najma Hamdullah wished that the festivals will bring hope and happiness in the state. Chief Minister Nongthaman Birane has greeted the people of Manipur, especially the Christian community, on the auspicious and sacred day of Christmas, which is the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. Nongthaman Birane urged the people to uphold and spread the message of Lord Jesus Christ for peace, brotherhood, and forgiveness. He said that the festival provides an opportunity to forget ill will and misgivings. Works Minister Tongamt Vishwarjit has extended heartiest greeting to the people of the state, especially the Christians brethren, on the auspicious occasion of Christmas festival, which is celebrated with religious fervor and gaiety, commemorating the birth of Lord Jesus Christ. The minister wished for the festivals to renew the spirit of brotherhood and usher in unity, prosperity, and peaceful coexistence amongst all the communities of the state. Social Welfare Minister Nimcha Kipgen has also greeted the people of Manipur on the eve of Christmas. Nimcha Kipgand wished that the festival may bring love, peace, harmony and development in Manipur. Mahad Minister T.H. Shyamkumar has also greeted the people of the state, especially the Christians brethren, on the auspicious occasions of Christmas festival. The minister wished for the festival to bring peace, prosperity and harmony in the state. Lok Janashakti Party, LJP, Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit and the Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol, KADA, in separate press releases also extended Christmas greetings to people of the state, especially the Christians brethren. KADA wished that the festival may bring peace and a healthy society free from intoxicants. Minority Affairs Secretary of Proscribed Revolutionary People's Front, Y. Shyam, has sent Christmas greetings to the people of Manipur, especially the Christian community. In a press release, the outfit wished for the festival to bring peace, love, and urged the people to unite against issues facing the state. BJP Nambold Mandal, along with Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh, T.S. Vasanta, today extended assistance to destitute and widowed Seram Ranjita and her family from Nambold Senapati Sabald Mamanglekai. It may be mentioned that Ranjita lost her son not long after her husband passed away. T.S. Vasanta gave financial help of 10,000 rupees and BJP Nambold Mandal presented one sack of rice to her family. Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, K. Sarad Kumar, inspected various areas of Barak Circle in Jirivam district today. He also presented food items to various churches of the area as Christmas gifts. Now the sports news. Manipur Kung Fu team left Imphal today for participating in the 5th National Kung Fu Championship 2019 organized by Kung Fu Sports Association, Maharashtra, under the age of Old India Kung Fu Federation. Altogether, 58 Kung Fu players from Manipur, including girls, will take part in the 3-day championship to be held at Pune's Sai Baba Sevadham Kanhe Fata from the 28th of December. Manipur team is led by S. Rajeshwar as a team manager and Washington Maite as team coach and S. Ruhit Kumar as assistant team coach. General Secretary of All India Kung Fu Federation, Dr. S. Romand, is the team official. Southern Sporting Union Singjamai quarter has entered the final of 62nd Sri Churachan Singh KCSI CBE Memorial Invitation Football Tournament. In the second pre-quarter final match of the football tournament played at Infal's Polo Ground today, Southern Sporting Union Singjamai defeated A. Hokpum by 4-1. For the winner, Ice settled T.H. Premjit and Vinod Khanna and T.S. Chinkai Ngamba score 1 goal each at 41st, 54th, 57th and 90th minute respectively, while the lone losing goal was scored by Mohammad Fiasuddin. 32 football teams, including 2 football teams from other states, are competing in the knockout basis of the Invitation Football Tournament held under the aegis of Old Manipur Football Association. There will be no match tomorrow. Muvanlai Athletic Kangpokpi will play against Football Club Lamjau Kakching in the third pre-quarter final match on 26th of December. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Survey of India declines Myanmar Survey Department's proposals to erect subsidiary pillars between the border pillar 82-83. Director of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Yumnam Ranjan says electronic point of sale machines willed out fake NFSA beneficiaries. Husband allegedly burned up the wife in the heat of argument at Mayang Imphal. Wife sustained 20% burns. And Chief Minister Nongthaman Birren inaugurates a 10-day Northeast Women Drama Festival and National Seminar on the theatre at Khenjomlang Theatre Complex.